In this video, I'm going to share with you everything that you are supposed to know about ZenFi and the opportunity that you have in this business. And welcome to my channel. This is the Blessed Man. If today is your first time of joining my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I drop an update about ZenFi, you'll be able to see everything yourself firsthand. So let's dive into it. What is ZenFi? ZenFi is a blockchain ecosystem that is running on smart contracts. It's a business that has a lot of tools and a lot of products that will help you to make money. Now, what you see in the market is where we have different segments of things that are running the market. We have people who are doing staking, platforms that are running trading, platforms that are doing NFTs, platforms that are doing gaming and all of that. But in ZenFi, everything is brought together under one roof and under one dashboard. In ZenFi, you can be able to navigate through a lot of different types of businesses in Web3 just from your dashboard. And so ZenFi has a lot of products for you, about 19 products right now as at the time of making this video. And as at the time of making this video also, ZenFi just went live yesterday with about 12 to 13 products on the back dashboard. These are products that will help you to make money, products that will help you to actually advance in this Web3 space. Now, there are products that covers newbies, people who are just looking for where to make money, things they can do in order to make money. 3 games were created for you. One of these games is what is called the Lucky Trade, which is a trading simulator that helps you to be able to simulate the market and then increase your money. You can make your money 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And then if you take profit, then you are going to benefit from that particular game. Another game here is the Star ZEN. This particular Star ZEN will enable you to just play games with your time, use the rocket to dodge some things and then collect some points. At the end of the day, you are being rewarded in USDT, guys. That's the first smart contract game that is paying real money and real dollar to their participants. And then we have the mystery box. This is just an opportunity, not even a game. Every single day you get into your dashboard, then you will be able to open your mystery box, and whatever you see, you take. You can be able to get the ZEN Token, which is the entire token of the ecosystem. You'll be able to get the ZEN Token there. You will be able to get USDT, and we'll have 3 different types of mystery box. We'll have the common mystery box, have the rare mystery box, and then we'll have the legendary mystery box. For people in level 2, you are going to have access to common mystery box where you can find ZEN Token, main token, or you can be able to find USDT there. For people who are opening rare and legendary mystery box, you can find USDT, you can find access code to unlock some products and so on. So these are products that will help newbies actually to make money. One other thing that ZenFi is that ZenFi provides value, a facial value, the first time you are getting into the system. Now, there are varieties of products that you can use in ZenFi, but you don't have to pay money for them. You don't have to pay subscription to start using those products. All you need to do is to buy an access key to unlock these products. And the more access keys you buy, the more products you are going to unlock. So we have NFT keys level 1, level 2, level 2, level 12. The first one is $10, the second one is $20, the third one is $40, and like that until level 12. But you cannot buy NFT level 3 if you have not been able to buy NFT level 1 and 2. So the more the access keys you buy, the more the product you have access, and the more the income opportunities that are open for you in the system. So what you do is that the moment you are buying an asset level, you are buying an NFT, there are 2 particular assets that will be added to your wallet immediately. Number one of them is the ZEN Token. This is an internal token. Every $1 you spend inside ZenFi, you are getting ZEN Token back. So if you are buying NFT level 1 for $10, for instance, you will be getting 10 ZEN Token direct into your wallet, right? And then you will be getting 10% of the ZEN Token, the main token, 10% of that amount. So for your $10, you will be getting $1 worth of the token. And the token, as at this time of making this video, is $0.01. So it means your $1 can get you 100 of this token, guys. Imagine when this token goes to $1, your $10 has simply become $100, guys, and there's a lot of opportunity that you can make. So the first thing you get as a first value in the system is that you are getting the ZEN Token, you are getting the main token, and you are having access to the varieties of products available for that particular level. For example, in level 1, you have access to the ZEN manager, you have access to the academy, you have access to the NFT keys, you have access to the affiliate commission, you will have access to the lucky trade. A lot of games with just $10, guys. That is a lot of value that you are getting from just activating NFT level in ZenFi. Now we have products for people who don't have time to play games. Probably they're just looking for where to put their money, and then their money will start working for them. And that product, number one of them is staking. You can actually stake for 1 month, for 3 months, for 6 months, or for 1 year, and then you'll be able to be earning annual percentage rate on your stake token, guys. And for leaders, you can actually earn affiliate commission from this staking up to your third generation, 5%, 5%, 5%, up to your first, second, and third generation. That's a powerful earning for you to be able to get this token even as a leader. Another product here is the DeFi NFT, the DeFi market. You can actually invest in DeFi market, and this is not investment, it's not a Ponzi investment, it's not an investment that coming from the money that people are gathering around in the community. No, you are just doing your investment controlled by blockchain and smart contracts, and your reward is coming to you daily. You can be able to claim your reward. Then you can pull out your capital anytime you want to pull it out if you are no longer interested in investment. So it's another powerful tool for people who just want their money to work for them. Okay, so for the crypto traders, people who are doing crypto, we have 4 powerful products for you right now. We have the trading bot, the copy trading bot, the AI analytics, and then the ZEN Dex. Let me talk about the ZEN Dex. Now, you don't need to go to centralized exchanges to move your tokens or your coins around from one different blockchain to another. Inside your dashboard, you'll be able to swap token from any blockchain to another blockchain. And then the AI analytics is a very powerful tool. You don't need CoinMarketCap anymore, you don't need CoinGecko anymore. Just get into your ZEN dashboard and you can analyze all the cryptos that is in the world. You can get every information, the total volume, the market cap, all the informations, the share and greed index. You can get BTC dominance over altcoins, and then you will be able to get every information. Now you will get an analysis based on the RSI of a particular token, guys. And then you can search for a token. If you want to analyze one particular token, you can search for it and then be able to get every information about this token. And you can use AI to predict what the market of this token is going to be. It's a powerful tool for people who are actually into trading or into investment. It will help you to be able to do the right thing in the market. And then comes the next product for the crypto traders, which is the trading bot. This is not an automatic trading bot where people will tell you that a bot is trading for you and then you are earning 1% or 2%. They know this is a tool that you can just use for yourself. The only thing here is that you can automate your trade by allowing this bot to actually buy at a particular price you want to set, and then you can put your stop loss and your take profit, either to take your profit partially or to take your profit fully, and then the bot is going to go on and do that job for you guys. That's a very awesome product for people who are trading cryptos. But you can only use this bot to buy tokens that are trading on decentralized exchange over 4 blockchains. We have the Solana, we have the BNB chain, and then we have the Base, and then Ethereum. We are starting right now. When the product is launched, it is going to start with BNB and then followed by Solana, and then from there it will move to Ethereum and Base. It's a very powerful tool for you guys. And then the last one here for the crypto traders is this copy trading bots. And what does copy trading bot do for you? You want to be able to track pro traders. You can use their wallet and give to the bot, set the amount you want the bot to buy, and then your take profit and your stop loss. The bot will follow that particular wallet. Anytime that wallet is buying any token on the centralized market, the bot is going to buy the token for you. And then you have a Telegram channel where they are analyzing cryptos and dropping signals, maybe contract address of tokens. You can link this bot to this Telegram channel, and the bot will buy tokens for you in that particular channel. Just give the bot the amount you want to trade for you, set your take profit, and then your stop loss, and that's all. It is going to take every single signal that is dropped on that group, and that will leave you with an automation. You just go and enjoy yourself doing other things while the bot is actually doing the job for you. Yeah, that is what you have to know about this product, and they are very, very, very powerful. I can tell you guys, they are very, very powerful. Now for the leaders, people who want to promote ZenFi and earn affiliate commission. This one is for you because An income stream have been created for any kind of leader, any kind of promoter that want to promote ZenFi. The first thing here is that you can actually use the product yourself. Maybe you are using the trading bot, or maybe you want to go and play the games, or maybe you want to do whatever you want to do on your own. You can actually do it as a user because you already have access to those tools. That is number one. The second way to make money here is the affiliate commission on the product themselves. As people are doing staking, like I told you, you are going to earn affiliate commission up to your third generation, guys. It's a very powerful thing. Up to your third generation. And then when people go to DeFi to go and invest in the DeFi market, you also earn referral commission from their earnings, not on their capital. Okay, whatever thing they are earning, 10% in your first generation, 10% your second generation, and 10% in your third generation. That's a powerful earning. The third way to earn here is that we have a complete passive earning for leaders. Once you buy NFT level 7 and above, you become a co-owner of the business, become a part of this business. And the thing here is that you can now start, you now begin to enjoy things. Are you getting me? You start earning daily reward. You start earning daily reward from this particular system. So there is a global turnover, a global turnover to pool that is actually a global pool that is going into a particular contract address, and this money will be shared by the people from level 7 and above. Now, every single NFT key level people are buying, 10% of that money is going to this global pool, and everybody in level 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 will share this money, right? And you will claim your own every single day. People in level 7 will be able to claim 10%, people in level 8 will claim 10%, people in level 9 will share 15%. People in level 10 and 11 will share 20%, and people in level 12 will share 25%. So it's a huge passive income for any leader. Once you have worked yourself up to level 7, or maybe you have used your money to buy NFT level keys, you start enjoying this dividend. All you need to do is to charge your Elite pool with just your in token, which you are getting from building your team, and then you start earning this daily income for yourself. Right. The fourth way here now is to do investment. You can actually invest in the token. You can go and do the DeFi. Imagine you using like $100 now to get about 10,000 ZEN tokens. You know what that means? That's a huge investment, because if that token goes to $1, it means that you are $10,000 rich with just your $100. You understand me? So, of course, it's not a financial advice, but you know that's how these things work. The price can go to anything at any time. All right? So, and then the fourth way to earn money here as a leader is actually from the affiliate commission you are going to earn from the affiliate commission you are going to earn from the NFT key level. Now, these key levels, people are buying $10, $20, $40, $80 up to level 12. Create another earning system for any single leader. And then you start earning affiliate commission when you promote ZenFi. Everybody in your first generation will give you 30% in USDT or BNB, and then 30% in internal token. All right. And then people in your second generation is going to give you 20% USDT and 20% internal token. People in your third generation will give you 10% USDT and 10% internal token. People in your fourth generation and fifth generation will bring you 5% USDT and 5% in internal token. This is huge, guys. Imagine you having like 100 direct downlines that just have 10 persons. That means in your second generation you have 1,000 persons, guys. And then this 1,000 persons have just 10 persons. In your third generation you have 10,000 persons. And if 10,000 persons have an average of 10 persons, in your fourth generation you have 100,000 persons in your fourth generation. And then if this 100,000 persons have an average of 10 persons, you already have 1 million people in your fifth generation. And these guys will pay you money from your level 1, your level 2, your level 3, your level 4, up to level 12, which is $20,480. You can imagine how huge that is. So the more you upgrade yourself, the more the earnings you are going to earn from your team up to your 5th generation, guys. That's a very perfect business for any leader to run with. And then in ZenFi, everything is clear. Everything is very, very clear. If you are buying any NFT key level, you already know the product you are having access to. It will be displayed to you, will display to you, and you will see all the products that you are having access to, the value that you are getting for the money you are actually putting into the system. So that is it, guys. How do you join ZenFi? Very simple thing. Pick the referral link of your sponsor or whoever that is referring you or whoever that gave you this video. Pick that referral link. If you're watching this on my YouTube right now and you don't have any kind of sponsor, you can message me, all right? You can be able to message me, and then I'll be able to see how I can onboard you in this business. So collect this referral link from your sponsor, create a Web3 account either on Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, or either on SafePal, MetaMask. Just activate BNB and then activate USDT on BP20. Put a gas fee on your BNB, just like $1 worth of gas fee, and then fund your USDT account, or you can fund your BNB because you can use any of them to do the registration. So once you have funded it, all you need to do is to pick the referral link of that your sponsor, go to Discover if you are using Trust Wallet, but if you are using MetaMask, just paste it on your Chrome browser and then connect your wallet. But on Trust Wallet, go to Discover, put it on the search bar and load the website. The next thing is to connect. Just connect your wallet. You can move through Ethereum, just connect, switch your network to BNB, and then connect, accept, and sign. Then it will bring you to the page where you are buying your NFT key levels. All you need to do is to click on the number of levels you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy level 1 to 6. Just click on 6. It will give you the entire amount you're supposed to pay for this level 1 to 6, and then you proceed and click on activate. It's going to pass through approval for the wallet, and then boom, that is it. Your account will be created and your NFT will be minted. Now land in your dashboard where you can play around with all the products inside the ecosystem. So what you do once you get into your wallet, click on more, then go to the left hand side, scroll down, you are going to see the profile. Then click on the profile, enter a display name that you want people to see while you are registering with your link, then click on save. If you're on level 6 and above, you can actually customize your referral link to bear your name. That is it. So just copy that referral link and start sharing it with people, and then you start making money in the system. Remember, if you're promoting ZenFi, you earn update commission up to your 5 generation, guys. It's a very powerful system, and if you are here, you're hearing me, you're listening to me, or you're watching this video, you don't have to miss this particular opportunity because you've never seen anything like this. You have never seen anything like this in the market. Something that gives you value for your money and create income opportunities for you. So, Blessed Man is saying to you, welcome to ZenFi. We are here to accept you and welcome you into this great opportunity. God bless you. Make sure you join now and then ask for the general group link so that you can join and get other information about this. Make sure if you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe here because I'll be giving you more and more updates about ZenFi as you move along. Then make sure that you register. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video.